from the Bristol University Hot Air Ballooning Society. We're a society with several student members, typically between 50 and 100 members from the University of Bristol, but also from the surrounding area. And it's a really great sort of team building exercise. Visibility for us can be a problem. Typically we have, say, 5 flights a year where everyone's really excited, it looks like it's going to be flyable the next day, the winds are nice and calm, and we wake up and at 6 in the morning it's suddenly got very foggy and misty, and we find that we're not allowed to go flying anywhere. So my question to our climate scientists really is whether we can expect more of those kind of days in the future.
I'm one of the 2 pilots who flew in the Breitling Orbiter balloon, which was the first balloon to fly around the world in 1999. My co-pilot was Bertrand Piccard, and we flew some 29,000 miles in 21 days. My question relates to the latest weather, which has been quite warm for the last 2 weeks, as everybody will know. And what's confused me in the recent past is that with a gradient wind, a 2,000-foot wind, in the middle of a high pressure of about 3 knots, so almost nothing, but on the ground we've had 10 or 11 knots, and which has nothing to do with the sea breeze. And I don't get it, and that's what I would like the answer to my question to. And is that related to this apparent changing of our weather patterns, and will that continue long term?
I've used the balloon as a medium for getting me all around the world to see interesting places, and 2 extremes stick out. One is Hokkaido, where I flew in northern Japan, where I flew in the middle of the winter, where it was -28, but also in Dubai. Flew out there for a long time. Now, I have friends out there and they said they've posted pictures on Facebook showing, at the moment, plus 54 degrees. My question for the climate scientists is, are we going to see even greater extremes of temperature? Are we going to see even less than -28 in Hokkaido, northern Japan? And are we going to see even more than plus 54 in Dubai in the next 50 years?